Hello and welcome to your YouTube channel at Dr. Jasmine. So today our featured school is Columbia University College of Dental Medicine. A legal disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only. I try my best to give you as much information as I can find from the programs, from other websites, but I have a sincere request. Please always visit the school website and the ADIA CAPED page to make sure that you have the most updated information. Wish you all the best with your application, and let's learn what are the application requirements for Columbia. So the Columbia University College of Dental Medicine is located in New York, and they award a DDS degree. Their website is dental.columbia.edu. The program starts on January 5th, 2026. It's a 30-month program with a program size of approximately 25. The application opens March 15th, so it has been about 2 months that the application has opened, and the application deadline is August 1st. So we do have a couple of months more. The program does require a supplemental application, and there is a supplemental application fee. Please make sure that when you're paying for the supplemental application fee or any fees online, please do not click it twice. The reason I'm saying this is because application fees are non-refundable, which also includes duplicate payments. So please be careful. The admission requirements is NBD 1 and 2 or INBDE. A TOEFL is required by this school with a minimum score of 100 on IBT TOEFL. You need to submit the scores to the program and not to ADIA CAPED. And I think the institution code for Columbia University is 2094. The school does not require a GRE or ADAT. There is no bench test, and the school does require an ECE evaluation. The school requires 3 letters of evaluation. This is something I'm trying to get a little more detail, because when I look on their website, it says a letter of recommendation should come one from a faculty member and the academic dean of the original school, as well as one postdoctoral reference if applicable. So just based on this, I'm assuming one is from the dean, one is from the faculty member, and one is from a postdoctoral reference if you have done a postdoctoral program. That's why the evaluations will be 2 or 3 depending on your education. The school will sponsor a visa or an I-20. The reason I put a question mark is because on the CAPED website, the school did not mention it explicitly, but there's a question which says applicants must be a US citizen or hold a US legal permanent resident status, and it says no. So by that, I believe the school will sponsor an I-20. So international students are welcome. They will sponsor an F1 visa, and the school also encourages citizens and green card holders to apply. This school has Kira Talent Assessment, which is actually sent via email. So what exactly this assessment is, it's a video interview which is conducted virtually. So the school will send you details, and it enables you to actually provide additional information to the school. I have uploaded a separate video about Kira Talent Assessment. So if you have any questions, please feel free to watch that video. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments section. I will try my best to answer as many questions as I can. This particular school has one requirement, which it's not a requirement, but there is something that you should consider. That in order for you to obtain a New York State licensure, the state requires 6 years of education prior to advanced standing program. So 1 year pre-professional and 5 years professional. So please make sure you consider this if after attending school you plan to get a New York State license. And then during the first semester of your program at Columbia, there will be a drug testing which is required for all clinical students at the university. Here is the program finder for ADIA CAPID. Here is a link to your application. Please connect with us, like, share, and subscribe. The YouTube video channel is called at Dr. Jasmine. Please join us on Facebook for daily updates, and wish you all the best with your interviews and with your application. Take care. Talk to you soon.